Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gyan Expert. Hello friends, now we are going to learn about switch backdrop block. Backdrop is background of the stage. Let's add one more background to our stage. You can see from here we can switch backdrops like I am changing it one by one. You can see the effects in the stage area. Similar to switch, there is next backdrop block which will change to next backdrop in circular way. You can see the effects of next backdrop block. Next is change size by. You can use it to increase or decrease the size of sprite. This can be useful when creating games, like you can add effects to size change based on certain event. Similarly, there is a change block which can be used to change looks of the sprite. Here I am changing different looks, different styles, and the effects will be visible on the stage area based on the different changes. You can use clear graphics effects to remove all the effects from the sprite and bring it to the original form. Next is show and hide block to show or hide the sprite. You can see by clicking on show and sprite. That's all for today. Thank you. For more videos and updates, please like, share and subscribe my channel Gyan Expert. Thank you.